In the fast-moving world of digital assets, where trends shift in the blink of an eye and fortunes can be made or lost overnight, few stories are as captivating or surprising as the rise and resurgence of Shiba Inu. Once dismissed as just a playful meme coin, SHIB has clawed its way back into the spotlight, this time powered by real-world developments, innovative projects, and a fiercely loyal community that refuses to be underestimated. In recent weeks, we've witnessed a dramatic surge in the number of holders, record-breaking token burns, and renewed whale activity, clear signals that something significant is brewing beneath the surface. But this story isn't just about price action, it's about the underlying mechanics, the technology, and the passionate people who are driving SHIB's ongoing evolution. Here at Crypto Insider, we're breaking down the most critical trends and developments shaping Shiba Inu's next chapter, so you can stay ahead of the curve. We'll explore why the growing holder count is a crucial metric, how the process of token burning works to reduce supply and potentially increase value, and what the latest whale movements reveal about big money confidence in SHIB's future. Plus, we'll dive into the highly anticipated Shibarium upgrade, exploring what it means for SHIB's ecosystem and its long-term prospects. We'll also touch on the latest exchange news and updates that could have a direct impact on traders and investors alike. Our goal is simple: to give you clear, actionable insights into the forces driving one of crypto's most talked-about tokens, so you can make informed decisions. By the end of this chapter, you'll have a deeper understanding of the key factors shaping SHIB's trajectory in 2026 and beyond. Let's dive in. Shiba Inu recently surpassed 1 million unique holders, a remarkable achievement in the world of cryptocurrency that few projects ever reach. This milestone signals more than just popularity or hype. It's a testament to the project's widespread appeal and the trust it has built within the crypto community. A broad, decentralized base of holders makes SHIB more resilient and less vulnerable to manipulation by a handful of large investors, ensuring a healthier ecosystem. This kind of grassroots growth is the lifeblood of the SHIB army, fueling ongoing development, inspiring innovation and attracting new users from all over the world. More holders mean greater liquidity and stability, making SHIB more attractive to exchanges, partners, and even institutional investors looking for robust projects. It's a powerful vote of confidence, showing sustained retail interest and engagement, even as market cycles shift and trends come and go. While wallet sizes vary widely, the sheer number of unique holders points to a lasting belief in SHIB's potential and a strong sense of community ownership. This expanding foundation is a key reason why the project continues to evolve, adapt, and push forward with new features and partnerships. For any crypto, a growing, active community is a sign of real staying power and long-term relevance in a rapidly changing market. As SHIB's holder count climbs, so does its influence, reach, and potential for future growth and mainstream adoption. It's a trend every investor should watch closely, as it could signal the next big wave in the crypto space. The SHIB army's strength is in its numbers, and with every new holder, that strength only grows. Token burning is central to Shiba Inu's strategy. Billions of SHIB have been permanently removed from circulation. Burning means sending tokens to an inaccessible wallet, reducing supply and increasing scarcity. Think of it like destroying rare collectibles. Fewer tokens can mean higher value if demand holds. The SHIB community organizes regular burn events, sometimes eliminating hundreds of millions of tokens in a single day. Some ecosystem projects even dedicate profits to ongoing burns, showing a long-term vision for value creation. While burns are a small fraction of SHIB's massive supply, they send a strong message about scarcity and community commitment. Each burn event reinforces the idea that SHIB holders are actively shaping the token's future. Over time, these efforts could make a real impact on SHIB's economics. For investors, tracking burn rates is essential to understanding SHIB's evolving value proposition. Scarcity driven by community action is a powerful narrative. In crypto, whales are major players whose moves can sway entire markets. These are individuals or institutions holding massive amounts of a particular token, and their actions are closely watched by traders and analysts alike. For SHIB, Ethereum whales have shown renewed interest, accumulating large amounts of the token. This accumulation isn't random, it often follows careful analysis and signals a strategic move by those with deep pockets. When sophisticated investors buy in, it often signals confidence in SHIB's future, possibly anticipating upgrades like Shibarium or other ecosystem developments that could drive value higher. Whale accumulation can spark a domino effect, drawing in smaller investors and boosting momentum. This chain reaction can amplify price movements and create a sense of urgency in the market. But there's a flip side. If a few whales hold too much, their selling could trigger sharp price drops. The market can quickly turn volatile if these big players decide to exit. That's why tracking whale wallets is crucial. Large inflows to exchanges may hint at selling, while moves to cold storage suggest long-term holding. These patterns help investors gauge the intentions of major holders. Recent data points to accumulation, a generally bullish sign for SHIB. It suggests that confidence is building, and that whales are positioning for potential gains. Whale activity isn't a crystal ball, but it's a valuable indicator of market sentiment at the top. While not foolproof, it offers clues about where the market could be headed. SHIB's continued popularity among Ethereum whales, even in downturns, speaks to its enduring appeal. Their ongoing interest can provide reassurance to smaller investors. For everyday holders, watching whale moves offers insight into broader trends. It's a way to stay informed and make smarter decisions in a fast-moving market. Big money often leads the way, setting the tone for what's next in the world of crypto. The upcoming launch of Shibarium is set to transform the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shibarium is a Layer 2 solution. Think of it as a multi-lane expressway built atop Ethereum's congested highway. It promises faster, cheaper transactions, making SHIB practical for everyday use and unlocking new applications. With Shibarium, SHIB and related tokens could power games, DeFi platforms, and NFT marketplaces at a fraction of current costs. The Bone token will serve as the gas for this new network, giving it a crucial role in the ecosystem. Shibarium aims to elevate SHIB from meme coin to a full-fledged platform with real-world utility. This upgrade is the foundation for a new generation of projects and sustained growth. While the launch date is still under wraps, anticipation is high. Shibarium marks a shift from hype to technology-driven value. The SHIB army is ready for the next evolution. Accessibility on major exchanges is vital for any crypto, and Binance is a key player for SHIB. Recently, Binance removed the SHIB AUD trading pair due to low volume, but SHIB remains widely available on the platform. This routine adjustment doesn't affect SHIB's overall presence. Users can still trade it against major stablecoins and currencies. For those affected, it's just an extra step: swap AUD for USDT, then buy SHIB. Binance gave users plenty of notice to adjust their strategies. More importantly, Binance has expanded support for Bone, SHIB's ecosystem token, and the future gas for Shibarium. Listing Bone ahead of Shibarium's launch signals confidence in the project's direction. These changes show the ecosystem is maturing and adapting to user needs. Exchange moves like these are worth watching. They reflect both market demand and project credibility. SHIB's accessibility remains strong. Beyond charts and headlines, SHIB's community behavior reveals its true strength. Data shows more holders are keeping SHIB for over a year, shifting from quick flips to long-term conviction. This hodling mentality stabilizes the market and reflects deep belief in SHIB's future, especially with Shibarium on the horizon. Instead of panic selling, many add to their positions during dips, reinforcing the project's foundation. The SHIB army's patience is a defining trait, supporting SHIB through volatility and change. We've seen how growing holders, token burns, whale moves, and tech upgrades all converge to shape SHIB's story. Even routine exchange updates show a maturing ecosystem. The convergence of community growth, economic tweaks, and innovation makes SHIB's narrative compelling for 2026. While the future is always uncertain, these trends offer a clear picture of SHIB's evolution. Stay tuned to Crypto Insider for the latest on SHIB and the crypto world.